and welcome to Telling Tales. I'm Carl Ashmore and I'm the author of the Time Hunters series for children of all ages. What I'm doing with Telling Tales is creating a series of minute-long tutorials. I call them Minutorials, that cover all aspects of creative writing, from writing a novel, writing short stories, plays, poetry, even film screenwriting. I'm also going to add short videos from other authors and hope in time to create a sizable online creative writing resource. As for who may be interested in watching, well, I write for a younger audience, so I hope young writers will be interested in what I've got to say. But the truth is, the principles of creative writing apply to anyone of any age, from 7 to 70. So if you, your child, or your grandchild are interested in creative writing, then please subscribe to the channel and you can see the Minutorials as soon as I upload them. Thanks for watching this, and here's Albert to say goodbye. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.